don't have to pay for Fusion 360, but most people think you do, because you come to this page and there's all these CAD programs, different versions. It's like, oh, which one do I choose? If you come down here, you can download a free trial, see what they got. So you got a 30-day trial. But if now to get Fusion 360 personal, you're going to want this link right here. You're going to do autodesk.com/products/fusion-360/personal. And I'll put this description. Yeah. I'll put this link in the description. And you come to this page. It's for personal use and for hobbyists. And you can see the difference between the free version and the paid version. It's quite Autodesk for personal use. Obviously, if you came here, then you don't have an account, so you'll create an account. You'll sign in, and you may or may not have to fill out another form, just saying that you're a hobbyist and you're using this for personal use. And then from there, you end up here. And once you end up here, you installed Fusion 360 for personal use. Have any questions at all, or you have a problem, please comment, and I will help you out personally. And thanks for watching.